Hello guys. Welcome to the Review Plus. In this video, we will try to list best 5 jig saws. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Tekpo 6.5. Powerful and effortless. Adjustable speed and angle. Precise and safe. Economical and convenient. Durability and warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Black & Decker BDC JS20C. Variable speed trigger for increased control. 45 degrees bevel shoe capacity for angled cuts in both directions. Tool-free blade change. Built-in dust blower. Part of Black & Decker 20-volt max system. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. DeWalt DW317K. The product is HD Jig Saw kit. The product is manufactured in China. Keyless blade clamp allows for quick blade change. 5.5 amp motor deliver powerful cuts in the hardest materials. Easy to use. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Makita 4329K. 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting with a powerful 3.9 amp motor. Ergonomically designed rubberized grip for increased comfort and control. Variable speed control dial, 500 to 3100 SPM, enables user to match. Counterweight balancing system for reduced vibration. Large trigger switch for easy operation. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Bosch JS470E. Featuring a tool-less blade change system and fast insertion. 4 orbital action tool settings provide different blade strokes. Variable speed dial sets maximum speed. This Bosch tool includes a large, sturdy die-cast foot. Internal precision machined plunging system. Please check the description for details and best price.